Right, okay, as we said we were going to do, we've got a Subaru Impreza, year 2000, so this is a Type R. I've owned 2 or 3 Subarus, this actually belongs to a friend. So just before I tape it all up, we're basically going to go through and do, he's going to restore it. And he's went ahead and stripped down everything underneath. And it's still in the process of getting stripped down. And what we're actually going to do today is we're going to spray. It's already been stone chipped, but we're going to actually colour code and put bed liner on the actual car itself and cover everything up underneath. Actually colour coded underneath. So I'm going to finish off taping up, and you can watch the process of it getting coated and see what it turns out like at the end. Right, so moving on a bit here, we've taped the car up. Everything needs covers covered, and that's it, sort of ready to go. The next step is we'll make up the 2-pack bed liner and tint it to the car colour, and start spraying it on. Just real quickly, this is what we're going to be using. This is Cobra bed liner. It's good stuff, used it before. Comes as 2-pack, so you mix it with a hardener, and then we've already mixed the colour of the car. So we'll actually tint that into the bed liner, and then we just attach this to a gun, basically a shoot gun, and we'll cover the car with it then. So we'll get this mixed and take a few pictures. Right, so that's us all coated. So at the minute it's going to be shiny, but this will actually dull down this satin. So that's body coloured now, scarring in the light. Same colour as the car, and that's every part of the underneath of it coated. And that's actually a bed liner that you put on truck bodies. So what was on previously was a light stone chip. What tends to happen with that is it chips and the water gets underneath it. So this will dull down, this will be the exact same colour as the car, and it'll be rock solid. So that's it, protected for pretty much the rest of its life, the car. So we will move on with other bits and pieces. We're going to do the outside of the car, and also the calipers I've done. They're all ready, so I'll do a quick video on the calipers getting redone, and also